You've been using the hole saw wrong your entire life and had no clue. If you've ever tried enlarging a hole with it, you already know the tragic scene. The saw just dances around, scratching the wood like a toddler with crayons. But drilling? Not a chance. That's where a ridiculously simple method comes in. No complicated tools, no wizardry, just a smarter way to make the hole bigger without ruining your masterpiece. The result? Smooth, neat, and fast. Want to finally stop abusing your wood and your patience? Follow the step-by-step and discover the hole saw's hidden talent.